Alright, so this is for anybody who wants to make like a late night snack. Get yourself some white Greek style bread. Or pitas, little pitas. Get these at Walmart. These are like $2.50 or something like that. Just make a little pizza. You got that. Got your little pepperoni. You can also get it at Walmart. Your jack cheese. I like this with the yellow and white cheese. And then you got your ragu. I got it with the meat inside of it. And then you're set to go. First, let's start off with the sauce. Shake it up a little bit, loosen it up. And pour it on your pizza, your bread. You don't want to put too much because then it just pours out. So just kind of spread it around, It all depends how much you want. If you want a bunch of sauce, you can put some more sauce. But like I said, it might drip out on you. You might add a little bit more to that. But you get the idea. And afterwards, put some cheese on there. Put some cheese on it. Next, you got yourself some cheese. You grate it. Get the little cheese grater here. You just grate the cheese down. Baby. You put as much cheese as you want. A little bit, a lot, whatever your preference is. That should be enough right there. So what's that mean? What that do with the salt that goes like this? Good little sprinkle. You just kind of spread it all over there. Spread it. There you go. Looking good so far. Next, the pepperoni. You can put whatever you want, but I'm just gonna make it basic. Put some pepperoni on there. It'll be good to go. We'll put it in the oven. Boom, 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 boom. That should be good. Out. Looks pretty good. Now just put in the oven. Little toaster oven here. If you ain't got one of these, you can just use a regular oven. I set this one for 350, and I'll probably leave it in there for about 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes. However hot you want it, you know. If you want it nice and toasted, then leave it in there longer, you know. There's my little creation right there, getting all warmed up. Let's close it up. Yes, sir. Just wait about 10 minutes and then we'll see how it looks. It's about to come out. Woo-hoo. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and cut it up. Ooh, look at that. Living on a budget, you want to make something fast and quick. There it is right there. Quick little small dinner and quick snack. I was about to do a taste test right now. ¿Cómo está, pa? All right. Pops approved. Look at him. On his little recliner. Watching his WWE Monday Raw. Taste test, baby. Come on, pretty good.